Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a good shake effect in CapCut using only the transition feature. So here I've already added a few photos, and to use the shake effect from the transition, you can just click on the transition box in between the first and second photos or clips. Then go to camera category. Then find the shake. Okay, so apparently the shake is on the overlay, so you can just click on shake here and adjust on how long you want to the shake to last. After that, you can just click on apply to all. Click on the check icon, and now you'll get that a good shake effect in instant. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.